Okay, so yesterday we created the subcontracting PO, okay, with the item category L, and I can see the components list also in the PO, right? So we can able to see the components also, right? So there is no problem to see that components. Okay. So when you can able to see the components, if you have properly maintained that the bill of material and the production version and info record, then you can able to see that the this component value. Okay, so if I go to ME23N purchase order, okay, if I go to purchase order, let's see that my purchase order number. Okay, so this is how I created just yesterday. Okay, then I'll be going to components here. Okay, so sugarcane and the molasses is the my components. So I can see the what components is like. One is the component, one is the byproduct. How you are differentiating? Byproduct will be like negative sign. You can see it is a negative sign. Okay, and this is the FG product. Okay, okay. Now has a process of step. The second step is you are issuing the components. Issuing the components to subcontractor, right? So why we need to issue the subcontractor? Why we need to issue the components? Because we agreed that they are preparing the FG product finished goods by using the my components. So these components are my components. Why we are sending this component? Because uh, they, if they are preparing their own components, might be the quality and the products, the component products quality is might be different. So I'm just saying that okay, it is my own requirement. So you should be prepared by using my components. Like I have the quality products like quality raw materials, quality of packing materials, everything. So I'm just issuing that components to the subcontractor. Okay, so the second step is goods issue. Okay, so goods issue. So same that process was same MIGO and okay, goods issue you have to perform the goods issue. Okay, let's go to that. Okay, take this purchase order number, then go to /4 MIGO. Then go to goods issue, select the goods issue, and I'm just selecting the purchase order because I have the purchase order reference. Okay. Okay. Then I'm just entering this purchase order number here. Then enter. Okay. So this. Okay, sorry. Let's see. Transfer posting. So we are transferring the stock, right? We are not. Okay. So we are using transfer posting. Okay. The option will be transfer posting, not issuing goods issue. It is a transfer posting. We are using a transfer posting. Okay, so transfer posting, we are transferring our components to their location because goods issue is something which is if there is ownership which is changing, then we are using the goods issue. But here transfer posting we are using just we are moving the stock to the my location to subcontractor location, but it is still it's a my own stock because the ownership still it is not changing to the subcontractor because this is I'm just assuming I'm saying that it's not I'm not selling to the product to the subcontractor. I'm just giving to them to produce the final product. So in that case, I'm just using the transfer posting. Okay. So the moment type is 541 here. Yes.
If we do goods issue, then we'll have to supplier has to pay us, or how?
Supplier has to pay. That means it is like it's kind of the we are selling
Selling
to the
products.
customer. Yeah,
Right.
it's kind of the selling. Okay.
Yes. So
It's kind of the selling or it's kind of the impacting accounting impacting either
yeah.
it is sales or it is anything it is impacting on the our accounting. So I'm just doing the transfer posting. Okay. Now purchase order and the moment type is 541 here. Okay. So every process every moment of the stock we have the one moment type. So here in this case 541 is the my moment type. Okay. So this is a very important moment types are very important everywhere. Okay. So please make make a note on this one what moment type it is triggering. Then I'm just issuing the sugarcane and which plant and where the stock it is available. Okay. So where the stock is available and to whom you are providing, to whom you are providing to subcontractor. The subcontractor vendor information you can give. Okay. So then you need this 4,453,600. So let's see whether we have the stock or not. You can click directly here. It will show you that whether stock it is available or not. So you can see that only we have 10,000 or lakh. Okay. So let's try 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh or not 1 lakh. Okay, let's see if there is any shortage is there. It will show you that error. Okay. Let's see. Click on check. See, you have the defect. Only 1 lakh. You have the 1 lakh, but you need 4,53,000. You have 10,000 only. Okay. So that means it is showing that shortage it is there. So I'll just adding the first. I will just add the more stock. So I just added only sample one. So I'll just quickly add some stock 561.
Or we can reduce the requirement to 9 lakhs.
We can, but our
Mm.
purchase order stock is we ordering that more, right? So,
Yes.
so I'll just put that this one. So I'll just adding and which plant it is. So some more. Okay. I'll try 10501.
How did you add the stock?
We added by using initial stock upload. Yesterday we discussed, right? Yesterday we discussed, right? Stock, how we upload yesterday. Did you upload the stock yesterday?
Mm.
Please just refer the yesterday video. Okay,
Okay.
that's why day to day you just need to be refer the video. Again, okay. So here I'm getting the issue with the movement type. Yesterday only I just posted again. Now it is asking some other. Okay, let's see. The same object is asking. This is again a issue which is coming. Okay, let's see. No, the we assigned to 1,000 or we write control. Yeah, controlling area we are using. Yes, what a communication. Already assigned to CA and the control video it is. We entered 1,000 okay, 1,000 it is there. And I send my EATC data communication. So then 1,000 is the my controlling area. There is no logical system. Okay, there are so many problems here. See, let's go try now. Okay, so now cost center it is not is there right cost center. And have cost center. If we don't have the other modules support, then these are the problems we'll get generally. Okay? Because everywhere it is required. Data.
What we are doing? Cost center.
Cost center is we are doing the direct stock upload, right? We are planning to do direct stock upload, right?
Yes.
So which it is asking that which where you are planning to update this stock. That means TA TATC, right? Data communication.
So it will be store location where we are updating stock.
No, I'll just tell you. No, it is different. It is finance related. It is finance related. It is not fraud. Percentage, it's kind of a department. Since you are planning to do the direct consumption, that means directly initial stock upload you are doing. So there should be some basement to the FI team. How you are planning to update the stock to the your SIVA object costing purpose. Okay. So this is a SIVA related. So don't worry about this one. Uh, yeah, just a second, because cost centers and everything it should be created. So this is what I just created cost center. Okay. Okay, now let me try now again MIGO. So that's what we will be trying. Initial we are explaining that with our standard company codes and standard purchasing organizations and all, because we don't have other module support here. So if we are getting any problem, then will be stuck in there long time. So that's what we are just going with the always standard, right? Again, it's going that blocking revenge or something. Right, is block, it is not block, right? Block, it is block. What is the blocking functionality? the percentage of percentage. Yesterday we posted, right? Again, now today, who did? Yesterday we did this initial stock upload. Again, today we are getting trouble. People, they are to keep on practicing. Let's try for 1 lakh. How to work? It's not getting for 1 lakh problem. This is not problem with that. No. Okay. Even if whatever the stock which we have, we can go ahead with that, no problem. But I just want to see that why yesterday this was the problem is not there. Now we got this problem. Open the 1000 why it's coming 1000. Even I just change this to 1000. Falling area 1000. Okay. What we are saying. There was some where it is restriction is there. Let's leave it about this one presently. Let's do with 10,000 only goods. So I'm just going with my process, transfer posting and purchase order, and I'm just doing this one. Then item okay. And I have only 1 lakh quantity, so I'm just issuing first 1 lakh quantity. Okay. Then check. Okay, so 90,000 Tuesday, okay, 10,000 we have the stock. Okay, let's go with 10,000. Check. So now I'm just issuing that. The moment type is 541 moment type. Transfer posting sugar cans, I'm doing that. Okay, and 10,000 items which we are sending this one. So since we are just transferring the goods to the subcontractor, okay, this is not selling. Okay, one thing is it is not selling. Okay, or it is not hand over to someone like moving stock to other place with ownership. It is not like that. All right. So here these two cases are not there. These two are wrong. Okay. So we are transferring the stock. We are transferring the stock. Okay. Without. Okay. That means the ownership will not change. Okay, without any accounting impact. Okay. That means okay. We just giving the stock to the subcontractor to produce the final product. Okay, so in this case what will be happen, even if the stock is moved to other location, that means it is moving to the subcontractor. Okay, still there is no accounting impact because I can say that it is not for selling. Okay, so the ownership will not be increased, will not be changed. So now just check that and posting this one. Okay, so you can ask me the question like, okay, if we move the stock, okay, and now it's not in the my currently it is not in my store location. One thing, the stock is not available in my location since the stock transferred to subcontractor, right? So in this case, how we know that how much stock we are issued to subcontractor? How much stock we are issued to subcontractor? How you know that? Okay. So because there is no accounting impact, so I don't know from the accounting also I cannot find. Okay, and the stock which is not moved. Okay, it is not like a ownership is not changed. So now these stocks are still it is my ownership. So tomorrow if somebody asking that where I can see that this stock, okay, so still I can see in my store location. It is still I can see in my plan. Okay, it will be representing that the stock provided to vendor. That means it will be divided and it will display like stock provided to vendor. Okay, so let's go over here. I'm just going to stock overview, just clicking on this one. Then you can see that now the raw materials it is displaying in the stock provided to vendor. Okay, so I can see okay 10,000 product I just sent to the vendor because why I just provided to the vendor because they are manufacturing this product. So the ownership still it is not changed. So tomorrow when there is a valid auditing is going on, so we can say that okay these products we are sent to the subcontractor to produce the final product. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the first step after you creating the PO. The first step is okay you are issuing the components to subcontractor. Okay, issuing the components to subcontractor. Now let's assume that my by using these components subcontractor produce the final product, the FG product it is prepared. Okay, the FG product it is produced. Okay, let's assume that the product FG product it is produced. Now we are planning to receive the stock. We are receiving the stock. What product you are receiving the stock here? What product you are receiving?
Sugar.
FG product, right? So they're producing that sugar, right? By using my sugar cane. The sugar canes are already sent to the subcontractor. I have 10,000 the sugar canes are there. That sugar canes I sent to the subcontractor, right? Now by using these sugar canes, he produces the sugar. So now I will be planning to get the sugar, right? So can I receive that sugar?
Sugar and the molasses.
Yes, molasses also we are getting because extra product. It is the extra byproduct. Okay. So now I'll be receiving that. You can use this goods receipt and purchase order. The moment type is 101. The same process we are following, and you can use the purchase order number. Okay. So what is your purchase order number? This is your purchase order number. So I'm just entering my purchase order number and enter. Okay. Now here you can see I'm receiving the sugar. Okay, so you said that along with the sugar, okay, along with the sugar, so I'm just suppose I say I'm getting only one product, 110, okay, because I just given that only 10,000, right, 10,000 around. So I'm just think that okay I got only 110 or maybe 0.500 something, you can just mention that whatever it is getting. Okay, so now I got only this much of the ton. Okay, now now what we said along with the sugar, you need to understand here, sugar is the FT product we are receiving. Okay, then molasses is the byproduct. Okay, that is also we are receiving because that is the extra product which we are received, excess product. Okay, so that molasses also we are receiving. But if you see that in the above, while here when we are issuing the components to the subcontractor, that means transferring to the subcontractor, I didn't counted that it is consumed, right? I didn't counted that it is consumed because it just transferred. Still he didn't use. But now I can confirm that because I received FG product, okay, I can confirm that the above components are consumed. Is that correct or wrong? Is correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay, because he already consumed. He already using that product, sugar canes, and he produced the sugar. If I'm receiving the sugar, that means the sugar canes are already consumed. So that also I need to be show up to the finance team. My sugar canes are consumed. Sugar canes are consumed, right? By using this consumption only, they produce the FG product, and we got a byproduct also. Now, how we can see in the image, because I can see only sugar here. Okay, I cannot able to see that other molasses or sugar canes. So there is a plus button. It is there. You can see here there is a plus button. Just click on that. Then you can see that in the below you are getting the molasses and you are issued the sugar canes. Okay, so as of now you are issued only 10,000. So I just putting that sugar cane we are just issued at 10,000. Right? And based on this one, you might be calculated it is how much sugar cane you received, and if suppose you are receiving only 500 something, you can put that 500 letters, and you are expecting like only 250 something tons of the sugar, then you can mention that. Okay, based on your consumption of the your product, you can see. Okay, so now you can see the one is FG product, one is byproduct, one is a consumption. Correct? Correct or wrong? Okay. Now how we can observe this one? How we know that whether it is FG product we received, and how we know this is a byproduct? Okay, and how we know that it is consumption? So by looking into material document, how I can see? So I just say that every moment, every stock process, stock moment, we have the moment type. So here also, if I go to this material sugar, it is 100. Now I will be going to second one, double click on it. Then it is a 545O. Okay, 545O. That means it is a byproduct. So this is the byproduct. We have the moment type is 545O. Okay, so I can see by looking at the moment type, okay, this is the byproduct, it is not actual byproduct. Okay, clear? And by click on the sugar cane, then there is a 543O. 543O. This is the consumption. This is the consumption posting. Okay, clear? So the above 541, the above 541 moment type, it is consumed here by using 543O. Clear? Is that clear? So these moment types are you need to remember these moment types. Okay, clear? So did you understand why we are getting? Yeah, please.
Yeah, can you please go back to that screen, like main screen for SAP1?
Okay.
Okay, so I saw that quantity and all those things you updated here. So we can update here, right? Like just.
We can update.
Oh.
If you are received only partial quantity, so you are received only partial quantity, you can update. Because you just send only 10,000, right? Based on 10,000, they said that you got only 0.250 tons. Okay, then you got only 500 liters of molasses. You just update how much you received, that you can update.
Oh, okay. Whatever we received, we can update there directly. Okay, got it. Thank
We
you.
can update it. Yeah. Any other questions?
Yes. If the quantity we increase the quantity, I mean, will it show error?
Definitely it will show. Because you have only consumed the stock provided to vendor have the 10,000 only, right?
1,000, right?
So obviously it will give error message, because you didn't send that to scores. How you can consume that?
Right.
Okay, so it is there now. Stock provided to vendor only 10,000, right? So if you are doing for 20,000, 30,000, the house system will accept that. Okay, because you only provided 10,000, right? So that 10,000 you have to be entered here. Definitely. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll just click on check. Okay, and store location, which store location you want to be received for the molasses and any other products which we have. Okay. So I can enter the store location, which location we want to be issued. So I'm just having that TAT of finished product store location. Okay. So then there is some error which is coming moment type level because we are using this account 8000. This is a CO level account. So see what it is saying that by comparing this moment type and this GL account, okay, the data is different. So please correct that. So what the correction it is like 014 vendor goods moment. Okay. So I'll go to here proceed. And what is my moment type? What moment type it is getting problem? 543. Oh, what material it is 545. Okay, 545 we are getting problem. Okay. Oh, and okay, then company code is TATC and GL account is 8,000. So here it is comparing that, okay, the GL account, and it is comparing that for moment type and GL account it should be same. The field selection should be same. But if you see that here, this is the surprise and this is the optional entry. In the account it is optional entry. So what you can do, you can might be change this to hidden. Okay, you can make this one as a hidden because in the moment type level it is a hidden. Now here it is like change. So I need to be change this one. One it is like I need to change material number. Okay, then let's see if any other things it is there. Then CO, PPO order and WS element. These are also needs to be error. So I'll just note down this one. One material number is hidden, needs to done. What we need to do, hidden. Okay. Then the next one is CO, PPO order and the WS element is to do hidden. Okay. Then what else it is there? This is a commitment item. Also it is the hidden. Then what else it is? Commitment is done. Okay, again business area. So many things we need to change because this. So when they are creating the CO object, that means they are creating this GL account, right? Make sure that when they are creating, it should be supported to my moment types. Okay, so the finance team they will be validating that okay, this is the related to this and this is related to this one. So they have to be check all these things. Then only they will be creating GL account because this is the practice server. So when so many people they are modifying that GL accounts and modifying other information. So we also need to cross check that where exactly they're mismatching and all. So segment having a meeting. This will be region. I'm just note downing that. Here region is also wrong. And other than that, now we got a problem because in this moment type it is required entry goes moment, but here in this GL account it is a optional entry. So what you need to do first, you need to be correct this one. Okay, field select status group level, you need to be correct this first. Okay, so I will go to FS00. So let's see that. And here what is the group? It is a G09. So I have to go this transaction first. Okay. So G029. Where is the G029? I will go field select value. I'll show you one. Okay, how we will be modifying this one. So I'll be go what is my field status group G029. What is this coming 029, right? Your 029 is not there. Here, go back again. Now let's see if anything other than this one create free status. Let's go this one. This is the technique. 029 is not there. 029. How it is found? Whether somebody did delete it. So somebody did deleted here. Somebody. So general, what we'll do? Okay, if I just go here, select any of this one. Okay, so generally we'll go like this one, and where there is suppress and where is a field required and all, we'll just modify that. Okay, so I could not able to find the 0.02929. Somebody did deleted maybe, so I have to create that again. Okay, or I just need to check somewhere if it is there. Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue. I have other calls. Yes, today's. Okay, let's we'll connect tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Huh? We'll connect. I will just